up, friend? Welcome back to my channel. Long time no see, and I'm hoping that you can hear me because there's some construction happening in the distance, but I have been moving. I'm doing a whole vlog about that. It's coming, but in the meantime, oh my god, there's a wasp. Oh my god. There are a lot of bugs here. Anyways, I'm currently in Mount Airy, North Carolina. We flew in yesterday and we are driving up to Frankfort, Kentucky today because we are going to see my uncle get married. That's the plan. We're about to get up in the RV, if you know, you know, and head up there. I'm just getting used to all the bugs and critters and things out here. It's an adjustment. I'm not used to seeing anything besides the occasional roach, you know what I'm saying? On the sidewalk, not in my apartment. Very excited to take Will to Kentucky for the first time and just live out the full Southern Belle fantasy this weekend, you know? Okay, I need to go inside. I'm terrified. On the road. We are getting ready for the wedding extravaganza. The time has come. The lighting in here is not great, but we're just working with what we have. We are staying at the Capitol Plaza Hotel in Frankfort, Kentucky. Makes me feel very nostalgic about my childhood. It reminds me of going on vacation with my family in the late 90s / early 2000s. Hasn't really been updated that much, which is fine. It's just interesting. We also have to do a self-tape before we leave for the wedding, so I'm trying to kind of hurry a little bit. Eyebrows are sisters, not twins. Eyebrows are sisters, not twins. Period. Okay, here's the makeup. I can't even tell what's going on here, but I'm gonna curl my hair. I've been researching Team 10 for a TikTok that I'm doing, and I completely forgot about a lot of the lore, even though I lived through it in real time back in like 2017, 2018. It is just such a crazy story that this 19-year-old boy created this content house and flew all these people in from around the world, from Ohio, from Spain, and essentially taught them the ropes, but also made their lives really difficult at the same time. I don't know, maybe he was onto something. There's so many weird noises happening in here. But I'm so curious if anyone who follows me was ever really deep into the Team 10 lore back in the day. Is there anyone watching this who has showed up to the Team 10 house in West Hollywood? I started doing these little deep dives into past internet phenomenons and drama and stuff. I did one on Dramageddon, I did one on MagCon, TanaCon, and I have a few more in the works that I've just been kind of researching on and off. So if you're interested in that kind of stuff, follow me on TikTok if you're a nostalgic person like me. This is taking so long. It's really dark. But this is my go-to wedding outfit. I wear this to every wedding ever. This is my Scotch and Soda dress, and I always wear it with my Steve Madden Linden boots. And I'm bringing my mom's bright blue raincoat just in case it rains. Because I don't have one. I figured that we would be inside, so I was like, what does it matter? But this is the look. Okay, let's go to the wedding. Looks like I have a lifted wig. We are on our way somewhere very important. Very, very important, wouldn't you say?
It is the best thing about coming here.
Wonder what it is. Waffle House mukbang.
Gotta eat.
Thumbs up. Our new apartment that you haven't seen yet. We moved to downtown LA. I live in a loft now. That's why it might be a little echoey in here. And the vibe has shifted completely. We moved here back in February, so it's been a few months, and I gotta say, I fucking love it. I'm living for it. I never thought of myself as a city girl, but downtown LA isn't really that city. It's not as crazy and hectic as you may think. Or may have seen on social media. It's really chill. I walk and get my coffee. I walk, you know, and get my groceries. I get my boba. I get my Earth Bar. What is the smoothie that I like from Earth Bar? It's called like the Good Breakfast smoothie, I think, or the Big Breakfast smoothie. Oh my God. It's my current hyperfixation. I have to stop myself from going there right now because I can't spend $12 on a smoothie every single day. It's just not sustainable for me. But I'm really loving downtown LA, and I'm excited to show you guys more about what it's like to actually live here so that you can get an accurate portrayal of what life is like, not on Street People of Los Angeles or shit like that, you know? That being said, things are very normal. We came back a few days ago from Kentucky, and Will has been working nonstop since we got back, literally the day after we got back. He's like, 12-hour day, 14-hour day, 12-hour day again. No rest, no sleep, bus, club, another bus, another club, plane. He's been going, I've been going, and as a result, the apartment is a disaster right now. Words cannot explain. So we're gonna clean it up in here a little bit before I do any more work, because I can't live like this. I don't know if anyone out there is like this, but when my environment is messy, I can't focus. I need everything clean, I need everything put away, I need a candle lit, I need some shit happening that just makes it very, very peaceful. You know what I'm saying? So that's what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna do a mass cleanup, and then we will film some stuff. But first, we gotta get it together. That took forever, but I feel so much better now that I can actually see the countertops and see where everything is. It feels really nice. I also just got some new stuff in from Bylt, so I thought we could do a little try-on haul just to, you know, break up the monotony of a Sunday cleaning sesh. Bylt is really good. They have a lot of staples. I think their whole thing is premium basics, so they have a lot of like the white tee, the black jacket, the leggings, the workout set, that kind of stuff. So I got this stretchy black tank top. It's just like, it's a basic. I can just wear it with anything, and it's really good quality. It's stretchy, it's comfortable. I actually think that this is perfect for a little Pilates moment. Now that I'm going to Pilates again, I'm really getting my shit together, y'all. I also got this boxy cropped white tee. I do have another t-shirt from Bylt that I wear a lot, like a boxy white tee that's a little bit longer. This is cropped, it's loose. It's that stretchy spandex feeling, but it's mostly cotton, and it has a little mock neck moment. I don't know if I would call it entirely a mock neck, but it goes up a little bit on the neck. Sorry, the dishwasher is going. I got this little button-up shacket kind of situation. This open with a little crop top and my leggings. Pilates, bitch. Sorry. I'm gonna make Pilates my whole personality, because isn't that what you're supposed to do when you start going to Pilates again? But it's super cute. It's stuff that you can wear to work out, to lounge, but also if you wanna look nice, you know? I got this stretchy scoop neck. It's just like a cream neutral kind of color. Very cash, very cute. And then I got these high-waisted leggings. They have this kind of ribbing. Don't look at my fingernails. They have ribbing on them, and I actually have a bodysuit that's this exact color, and it has the exact same kind of pattern on it. So I'm like, are these supposed to go together? I don't know, could be interesting. But of course, I also had to get the matching top. It's just short sleeved. It has that same ribbing on it and the same little mock neck situation that I like. I love a mock neck. I don't know what it is about it. It just makes my pencil neck look even more pencil-y. And the last thing that I got was this cream colored trucker jacket. I think these are so cute. It's almost like, I don't know, these pockets make it feel kind of bomber, but it has a trucker jacket shape. This is gonna look so, I can easily wear this with a super casual, loungy, don't give a fuck outfit, or wear it with something really nice. God bless Bylt. They are one of my favorite brands. I think they're mostly known for their menswear too, which is so crazy because I feel like the women's stuff is popping off. It's popping, it's great. We love Bylt. Hello, vulnerable moment. You're in the messy part of the apartment. It's not really that messy, it's just this stuff back here that we haven't unpacked yet is, you know, it is what it is. I have to film a self-tape and I have not been great to my nails lately. It doesn't even want to focus on them, that's how bad they are. I got these press-ons because I need to film a self-tape today and I have to show my hands, so I'm gonna try to make this work. Step 1, cuticle remover and pushing back the cutes. This always, I feel like this makes my nails look better, I don't know. But it's the stuff they use at the nail salon to soften your cuticles so that you can clean off your nail and push everything back. I don't know what it is about biting my nails and picking out my cuticles and all that stuff. Like, I've been able to stop many vices, but this is one that I just I can't quit. I'll quit for a few months here and there and I'll be like, oh my god, my nails look so good, and I'll be so proud of myself. I'll start going to the nail salon and getting them done, and then I just fall right off that wagon. I even went so far as to downloading an app called I Am Sober, and I'm not appropriating for nail biting. Like, it actually has nail biting on there, but it's basically a tracker. So you check in at the beginning and end of every single day, and it keeps track of how long you haven't bitten your nails for. And there's a really cool community aspect to it. Like, you can see other people on there in the message boards like, hey, today was really hard for me, but I made it and you can make it too. And it tells you how many people are at your point of the journey. So like, when you hit your 1 week milestone, it'll say 2,000 other people are also hitting their 1 week milestone today, yay! And it's really cute. So that is kind of keeping me accountable. I've definitely had to reset it a couple times since I downloaded it, but I just want to have nice nails, man. Every time I see someone with nice nails, I'm just like, why can't I just stop? Even filming for Instagram or filming for TikTok and like having to hold a product or hold my little lav mic, I'm just so embarrassed because you can see my fucked up nails. Okay, let's wash our hands. This brand of press-ons is new to me. It's called BT Art Box. BT Art Box, I don't know, I got them on Amazon. I was so desperate. I was like, let me just find something quick. I have a very vivid memory of being a kid and my mom helping me put on press-on nails and then her finger getting stuck to mine. So let's try to avoid that. This is so exciting. I love having nice nails. Maybe this will keep me from biting them. Let's hope. Wait, these look so good. I'm getting glue all over my hand though, so that's a little scary. But other than that, it appears to be going well. What do we think? A little crooked, but overall, very happy. Hopefully these last a long time. We'll see.